Are you ready to secure your IT career? The Enterprise Defense Administrator certification is your key. In today's world, cyber threats are everywhere. Businesses need skilled professionals who can defend against these attacks. eEDA is the ultimate hands-on certification that validates your skills in defensive engineering strategies. With eEDA, you'll master critical areas like security administration, identity management, and governance risk and compliance. Gain practical experience in a simulated enterprise network, showcasing your ability to not just know but do. What sets eEDA apart? It combines theoretical knowledge with real-world application, ensuring you're job-ready. Make the smart move for your career. Get certified in just a few simple steps. Visit us now to secure your eEDA certification and elevate your professional profile. Don't wait. Your future in cybersecurity starts today.